Using Claude to control your browser allows you to automate almost any tasks. These include things like testing your applications under heavy use, doing research, working with any of your online tools. Today I'll show you how to launch Claude to your browser and which approach could save you a lot of tokens. I'll also explain the key difference between Claude extension and Playwright CLI and how to use both of them. You could use it to test your web applications and define problems, look closely at competitors' website, research specialists or business client, and perform actions within your online session. So won't waste any time and let's jump right into the video. Hit the like, subscribe to the channel, do not miss the new video. You can launch Claude to your browser in these three ways, using the official Claude extension, Playwright CLI and Playwright MCP from Microsoft. The Claude Chrome extension is extremely token heavy. Why? Because it uses screenshots to identify what's happening on your page and what then it should do next. Screenshots are token expensive way. Actually, among these options is likely the least efficient. Also, it's not headless. What does it mean? Headless browser means a system can run browser in the background without showing it on your screen. Both MCP and CLI Playwright can run browser headless. Another question is, can we do things at the same time? All these tools like Playwright CLI, MCP and Claude extension can handle a few tasks at once using separate sessions. So let's discuss why CLI is much better than other two options. Playwright CLI uses 4 times less tokens than MCP and much less than Claude extension for the same job. The key difference is that Playwright, surprisingly, uses something called like accessibility tree from web pages. The accessibility tree helps assistive technologies like screen readers, voice control and other tools used by people with visual impairments by providing a simpler, organized version of the website's layout and content. The MCP server works by taking the whole accessibility tree and sending it to Claude Code. This tree is quite big and each time it sends to Claude Code, it uses a huge amount of tokens. The CLI works a bit differently. It doesn't send everything in Claude Code. Then it only gives to Claude a summary of the tree. If you want to begin with extension, go to browser extension store, for me it's Chrome, and download it. Then click the puzzle icon to pin it, so it's always easy to find. The first time you use it, you'll need to log in with your Claude account. Once it's installed, you can use the browser extension chat, pick your model, set the permission mode, and simply tell Claude to do things in your browser. Then wait for the outcome. Because of this extension, Claude Cowork chat can also perform actions in your browser. Just tell it in your command that you need more than just web search, but specific steps to be taken in your browser. Playwright is free, open source tool made by Microsoft. To begin using Playwright CLI, we already have instructions available on GitHub page. You'll need install Playwright CLI, Playwright skill for Claude, like an instruction how to use it. You can simply give Claude the GitHub page link and ask, please install Playwright using all these steps on this page. It has many different commands, but since you are using it within Claude, you don't need to learn every single one you see. Claude can understand what these commands are meant to do, so after you install the Playwright CLI, you can simply say something like, hey Claude, please open new Chrome browser and test the new website I just made. For example, check the form submission. It will open as many Chrome browser windows as you asked, and when using Playwright, it can actually open its own version of Chrome, just like you open Chrome yourself. Then it will do things in them like signing into web pages and testing features. Playwright actually does a lot. If you need Claude Code to actually change and interact with web pages online, this is the tool you should use. So that's it. We've looked at how you can greatly improve how you can use browser launched to your Claude. We saw a difference between official Claude extension and more effective, free Playwright CLI. In the end, whether you pick the easy-to-use extension or the strong capabilities of Playwright, you now have the tool to automate almost any tasks you can image in your browser. This will greatly change how efficiently and productive you could be. Thanks for watching till the end. Hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in next video.